MagicBands. So what are these cute little things and what all can they do for you? We absolutely recommend purchasing MagicBands because they are super convenient and they make a great souvenir. But these wristbands do so much more. You can use them as your park ticket so you don't have to worry with setting those up in your Magic mobile wallet. You can also use them to tap into rides if you're using the Genie Plus. They will link photos to your memory maker. You can use them to tap to pay for items you purchase, and you can even use them to unlock your door. Everyone in your family can have one and can even customize them with favorite colors or characters. Keep watching to learn how to order yours. You're going to start by going to MyDisneyExperience.com and log in. When you get there, you're going to want to hover over here where it says My Disney Experience and click on that, and then you'll have a drop-down menu. Click on My Plans. So if you order your MagicBands through your My Disney Experience account, then you can get them at a discounted rate if you are a Disney Resort Hotel guest and your resort reservation is linked in your My Disney Experience account. We do suggest getting the MagicBands. They are much more convenient than using the phone app, and that helps not drain your phone battery so much, and they're a fun accessory. So once you've gone to My Plans, you scroll down here and you'll see your reservation information, and over here you can choose your MagicBand. Once you order these, they will be shipped to your home within a few weeks, but it will tell you what the last date you can order and pick them up at check-in is. So you just click on Choose Your MagicBands. So this is going to take you to a page where you can see all the different options for everybody in your party. And they have lots of different choices. If there's not a choice that you like there, you can order from shopdisney.com, but those won't be linked. You'll need to link those separately, and they won't be discounted. So for here, I'm going to go ahead and select a band, and you'll see it pops up a whole bunch of options. I can click on them to see both sides. They're super cute. Over here, there's an arrow. You can keep scrolling to see all the different options. You can sort by theme, reset filter. You can sort by color. So once you found one you like, then you click on that. Let me go back up for just a second. See, it shows the pre-arrival price right there. So it shows that there's a discount there. So it populates with the person's name as it appears in the My Disney Experience account. But let's say Brad is called B-Rad or Grandpa. You can type whatever you want to appear on the inside of your band there. It doesn't matter. Once you've done that, click on Complete. And then it's going to take you back to the page where you have all the people eligible to purchase MagicBands for this particular reservation. If you have MagicBands you're going to use from a previous trip, that's not a problem. So let's say some of you want to order MagicBands and some of you don't. So for me, I'm going to say that I don't want one. So I'm going to select, and then you'll see right up here it says Decline a new MagicBand. That gives me the ability to order MagicBands for some of my party and not for the other parts. Just keep in mind, if you decline the MagicBand, you cannot then go in and order another one at the discounted rate. You would have to just order one from shopdisney.com and have it linked. So this is just information about MagicBands. I'm going to decline pre-arrival order. So now my order is going to be complete because I only had 2 people and I've chosen a MagicBand for Brad and declined a MagicBand for me. And then it's just proceed to checkout like you would, and you would check out like you would with any other checkout process. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like on your My Disney Experience app. It's very similar once you get to the point where you're choosing your band. So open your app, and this is what your homepage should look like pretty much. Down in the bottom right-hand corner, you'll see the 3 little lines. You want to click on those, and that's going to take you to another menu. Come down here to Resort Hotel, and it's going to load the information about your resort stay. And if you scroll down just a little bit, you'll see a button that says Choose MagicBands. Click on that. It takes you to Safari on your phone. And from here, it's going to be a very similar process to what you do on your computer. I'm going to show you how to get there. I'm not going to walk you through all the steps because at this point, they're pretty much the same. But once the page has loaded, slowly, you're going to want to come over here and click on those 3 lines in the upper left, and you'll see this drop-down menu. It should look sort of familiar. There's My Disney Experience. I clicked on that, and then click on My Plans. And then it's going to take you to that same page you saw on the laptop. And scroll down, and you will see Choose Your MagicBands. Click on that, and then the process is the same as it was on the computer.